Hello, this is David with TechNewsZone.com in Las Vegas. May 21st, 2019. Fighting a cold, but it is what it is. We're going to be getting some new 3D printers to mess with. We're starting to get a little better at it. Working with, Brooke Drum, I'm working with him. We're going to get a whole bunch of filament, which he's sending us to pay for shipping, but I'll do that. But he has a whole bunch, so that's cool. I'm getting my very first SLA printer. That's why I have this. I got to get some 99% alcohol or 90% alcohol to put it in there, but we're getting a Sparkmaker FHD, which is a SLA printer. We were involved with their Kickstarter, helped promote it, so we got a crazy deal on one when I still had money like 8-9 months ago. Then we're getting for free, we're getting a Minimaker from Davinci. It's like a little educational printer. That's not as little as you think. It prints 6x6, so it's not giant, but it's decent. My other two 3D printers are sick right now. They're not printing properly, so they're put away for a little while, but I'm going to try to fix them. We're going to be doing more. We're working with Ivy. We might be getting an Ivy to beta test later this year. I don't know about Snapmaker, possibly. We'll see. We're trying to get that involved. If anybody else wants printers, 3D tested or reviewed, filament tested or reviewed, I'm a blogger. I'm in teacher training, and we'll be back in teacher training in August. I'm also in sales, so if you need a marketing ambassador, sales ambassador for 3D printing or drones or technology, keep me in mind. David with TechNewsZone.com. Been in Vegas for 50 years. I'm 50 years old. Army vet, Aspie, tech blogger, Brainiac. Those people have told me. Blogger. But we're looking forward to the SLA printer. I can finally get one. I've never had one. It's kind of like the Terminator movie where the stuff comes out of the liquid. We're getting that, and we're getting the Minimaker. Our other two printers are sick. My Ultimaker's on loan. I can't wait to have it back. My Ultimaker 2 Go. I've loaned it out to a school, but please bring it back and don't break it. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm missing that one. But we're going to try to get a Snapmaker if we can by the time they ship. But right now we don't have the money, so we'll see. But if anybody else wants us to test or review anything, printers, 3D printers, filament, we do stuff with education, autism, special needs, and we're heavily into 3D printing and drones and technology and coffee. So keep me in mind. Last month we had like 60,000 views on our website, and we have about 50 to 100,000 impressions on social media a month, so we're not doing bad, but keep us in mind. We're working on the YouTube presence. My daughter and I are going to start doing some YouTube stuff too, like comic dubs and stuff as well, but keep me in mind. Dave with TechNewsZone.com. Thanks, bye.